Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube low FPS. If you're experiencing low FPS, which is frames per second while watching video on YouTube, there are a few steps you can try to take and improve the playback quality. First, you need to check your internet connection. A slow or unstable internet connection can lead to buffering and low FPS. Make sure you have a stable connection, or you could also change the video quality. Go to the YouTube app like this and select one of the video in the recommendation, or you can play one of the video you like, and in the top right corner there's a setting icon. Tap there and go to the quality option and simply tap on the advanced option, and from here you can select the quality, as I'm going with the 180p, and this can reduce the strain on your internet as well. Or you could also try updating your YouTube app. Go back, go to the Play Store app, and in the top there's a search icon. Tap there and look out for the YouTube app just like this, and open the app and ensure that the YouTube is up to date. Outdated may not be able to handle video playback efficiently. Or you could also try restarting your phone. A simple restart can resolve temporary issues affecting video playback as well. And this is it guys. If you continue to experiencing low FPS while watching video on YouTube after trying these steps, there may be more specific issue at play. Consider reaching out to YouTube support for further assistance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.